How to recover Telegram account without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can recover your Telegram account without a phone number. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So you open up Telegram. The very first thing it asks you to do is to enter your phone number. So can you recover your Telegram account without a phone number? Well, unfortunately, no. You can't recover with email address. You can't recover with your logged in devices as well. As long as you don't have your phone number with you, you can't prove the ownership of the Telegram account because Telegram doesn't know that you are the real owner of the account. So what you can try to do is, depending upon your career and your country, you can actually claim that same phone number if you happen to lose your phone or your SIM card. As long as the phone number is in your name, you can choose to claim that phone number and start using that phone number again, and you can begin using Telegram. That is one option for you. Aside from that, there is no other way. You simply have to let go of that Telegram account because there is no other way, as I'm telling you. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.